Hi everyone, I'm Andrew. Today, I'm excited to introduce KreadoAI's new lineup of character avatars featuring 11 Asian personas. I believe these additions will cater to many of your business scenarios. Without further ado, let us take a look at who they are.
Thank you for the recommendation, David. My name is Linda, and I'm a yoga instructor who has a passion for various sports. If you also enjoy sports and everything related to an active lifestyle, you can choose me as your avatar ambassador.
Thanks, Linda. In addition to showcasing a healthy image, Linda also excels in presenting professionalism and charisma. You can choose scenes that best suit her based on your needs. Apart from Linda, Kim also wants to introduce himself. He brings along 3 sets of equipment, which I believe are sufficient to showcase the most suitable application scenarios for him.
Hello everyone, I'm Kim. Thanks to David for the introduction. I'm a preschool teacher who enjoys science education and explaining things. At the same time, you can also see my professional and fashionable side. I believe you can choose the most suitable usage scenario for me.
Hello everyone, I'm Kim. Thanks to David for the introduction. I'm a freelancer, which means I have endless possibilities. My other set of attire is also casual and free-spirited. I believe this is perfect for marketing and artistic creations.
Hello, I'm Jenner. I have 3 sets of clothing, actions, and scenes. I believe you'll always find the most suitable one.
The above is all our character introductions. Welcome to use them and create more interesting videos.